Yikes! The Super Strikers are really out of sync today. It's like they're all playing their own game instead of working as a team. Hey guys, chill out. I think I know exactly the story that'll help you understand why working together is so important. Way back when Moses was leading the Israelites out of Egypt, they ran into a huge problem, the Red Sea. With Pharaoh's army chasing them down and the sea in front of them, the Israelites thought they were finished. But Moses knew God had a plan, and it was going to take everyone working together to make it through. Moses prayed to God, and God told him to lift his staff over the water. Whoa, can you imagine that? The sea started splitting right down the middle. But it wasn't over yet. The Israelites had to trust Moses and work together to get through.
Don't be afraid, God is with us. Keep moving.
They couldn't just stand there. They had to trust each other and move together. Uh-oh! Pharaoh's army wasn't about to give up that easily. They had to move fast, and they had to stick together. When someone fell behind, others reached out to pull them forward. That's what teamwork looks like.
Know you've been a good friend.
Almost there! Just a few more steps! Then Moses raised his staff one last time. And boom! The waters crashed down and Pharaoh's army was stopped in its tracks. They did it. They made it. Together. See, if the Israelites hadn't worked together, they never would have made it. A team isn't just a bunch of people playing next to each other. It's about having each other's backs. Now you're getting it! All right, let's see some teamwork out there. Look at that! They're finally working together! Cool, that's the power of teamwork! Remember, two are better than one. Stick together and you'll always come out on top.